Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CORI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a good solid move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around saying that today wasn't good. But that does lead into the question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine power, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that's why I love charts. It makes things very straightforward. And that level is right here at $2.90. Why is $2.90 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.90. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back to within this range where it's already been. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, but even after that drastic pullback, bounces around there and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows right here. You'd have this, previous set down there. If you picture each of those as stair steps, well, hey, the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. Truly bullish moves are going to methodically show progress over time, and in this situation, I'm just defining overall progress as $2.90. Now, ideally speaking, if you're saying, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price could stay up above up above $3, that would be, best case. But if it doesn't, there's still a chance because, again, $2.90 for the reasons we just discussed. As far as levels of resistance, pretty straightforward. It's all about the famous 200 period simple moving average, which is denoted by that pink line right there. You can see the bulls did a little battling with it today, and the price ultimately did get rejected back down a little bit. So going into tomorrow and the remainder of the week, 200 period simple moving average, definitely key battleground. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right here to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.